Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. We're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories. Akash Pathak, the son of suspended IFS officer Abhay Kant Pathak, pleaded his innocence Friday before the SDGM court here. Akash has been accused of taking lakhs of rupees on the pretext of giving them jobs. He did so posing as the MD of big company. I have not duped anyone and have proofs for the same, said Akash to the court. Commissionerate Police produced the father and son duo before the SDGM court here. Kharavel Nagar Police also informed the court about the other cases lodged against Akash and Abhay. Good news for tourists and visitors to the Sun Temple here. The light and sound show, which was closed following the outbreak of COVID-19, is all set to resume from 13th of December. According to an official, visitors' safety is their first priority, so the preparations are underway to ensure that tourists enjoy the event following COVID-19 protocols. The last time the show was suspended was in 2019. It happened due to Cyclone Fani and the show was stopped from 2nd May to 22nd May. A known criminal who was released from jail recently was injured Friday when three unidentified bike-borne miscreants opened fire on near Kalinganagar area under Tomando police limits here. Sources said the victim Sanjay Khuntia had come to market near Kalinganagar for some work. He is accused in a case and was out on bail. One of the bullets missed Khuntia, otherwise his injuries would have been serious. Khuntia managed to save himself by rushing into a nearby house. On being informed, police reached the spot, recovered the used bullet shell and began an investigation in this connection. The Odisha High Court directed Thursday Sarpanch of Lakshmi Prasad Panchayat Somiranjan Pradhan in Nayagarh district to seek protection from SP Pratyush Divakar. He has been given 15 days time to present his petition to the SP. Pradhan had moved to the court on 27 November seeking protection for him as well as his family members. He said he was apprehending to life from the State Agriculture and Higher Education Minister Arun Sahu. An audio tape of Pradhan's alleged conversation with Sahu had gone viral on social media over Pari murder case. Pradhan had also alleged that Sahu was trying to suppress the Pari murder case and was pressurizing the district administration to close the matter. The inmates of Jharpada jail will get to watch a movie every Sunday on projector screen, officials of the prison said Friday. Facilities have been made within a cell of the prison, they said. Prisoners will watch patriotic, historic, mythological and moral-based films. This facility is being provided for the first time in India, Superintendent D.N. Barik said. This is being done to decrease the stress level of the prisoners, he informed. A 7-year-old boy was critically injured after a mobile phone battery exploded in his hands at Chekamara village under Nilagiri police limits in Balasore district Friday. The accident occurred when the boy was playing with it. The injured kid has been identified as Chandrakant Singh, son of Tuna Singh. With injuries to his chest and belly, Chandrakant has been admitted to the Nilagiri government hospital. His condition is stated to be stable now. Odisha will be hosting the Men's Hockey World Cup in 2023. Earlier, all important matches were played at the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar. However, for the 2023 edition of the tournament, the city will host some games at the Biju Patnaik Hockey Stadium. Preparations to host the matches are all in full swing. FIH Chief Narinder Batra, Hockey India Chief Executive Elena Norman, Odisha Sports and Youth Services Secretary Vishal Dev and ITCO MD Sanjay Singh visited the stadium here Thursday to look into the arrangements. Many doctors at several hospitals in the national capital, including AIIMS, sported black ribbons Friday. The doctors were supporting the protest call of the Indian Medical Association IMA against the centre. Recently, the centre has allowed postgraduate practitioners of Ayurveda to be trained in performing surgical procedures. However, the IMA is against the decision. The IMA had given the nationwide call for the protest. It has demanded withdrawal of the notification. That's all for today. Keep watching Orissa Post Live for all latest updates.